Today I'm going to show you how to do a half catchers into scissor plank into Sleeping Beauty. So we're going to go into a straddle. I'm going to hook one leg from the outside in and pull up. From here, the leg that's hooked, I'm going to start pushing my foot down and lifting my hip up. You can also pull up on the hammock to get the fabric in the position for this pose. From here, we can bring this free leg up and over, and this is going to transition us into a scissor plank. I'm going to take my inside arm through the fabric and rest it on my shoulder. Now I can push my hips up and try to balance this. Another move that you can do here is lowering your pelvis, keeping your chest up, and you're in Sleeping Beauty. So in this position, I'm going to make sure to keep my shoulders pushed back into the fabric and my chest open. And to get out of the position, I'm going to bring my arm back to the fabric, the inside arm to the fabric, unwind that leg, and you can pull up or roll through. And from there, you can grab one side of the fabric, lace the leg through, and end in sitting. Thanks for watching Just the Tips. I'm Ashley.
Thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more Just the Tips, and we wish you the best of luck on your movement journey, darling.